real quickly, people are used to paying. At what level? Explain tokens. Okay, that's not the $20 or the $100 or the $200 monthly subscription.
No.
It's
So
pay per
tokens,
use.
no, so that's the API. The tokens are basically, think of it like a single character, right? So you type in, hey, that's 3 tokens.
Okay.
Okay. So you have upload tokens and download tokens, or it's really input tokens and output tokens, but I use upload and download from like your internet. You know how you have a different speed for upload and a different speed for download,
Right.
right? Same thing for AI. It charges you a certain amount per million tokens typically, upload input, and per million tokens output. It's more expensive to get the output, okay, from the AI. Make sense?
Yeah, and it winds up sometimes getting away from people. They didn't realize what they're spending.
Well, so now we're talking about where there's 2 ways to use Anthropic's model. You can use it through their subscription, or you can use it through their API, right? The API is billed at usage, right? So if you don't use it, you don't pay. If you use it, you pay. Subscription is a fixed cost, but they give you a set amount of tokens to use. The subscription is what they want you to use right now so that you get locked into their model, but also into the products that they provide on top of that model. Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, Claude Code, Claude Design, Claude for Teachers, Claude for Science, all these different products that they're releasing where they want to be like your choice. Like you get used, it's kind of like getting locked into an iPhone, right?
Right.
An Android can do everything that an iPhone can do, but I don't want to deal with the UI, the user interface of an Android, and worrying about like how to function it. I'm just going to get locked into Claude's products, and then I'm going to be willing to pay them, right? So that's kind of Anthropic's strategy, and they're competing with Google and X and ChatGPT and all these other companies, okay? So essentially, if you want this level of security and all this kind of stuff, you can use Anthropic and have 0 data retention and HIPAA compliance and all that kind of stuff. You can right now, but you have to use the API, and it's really expensive, okay? Like 10x the cost of the subscription. But you could get a local model, put it in the cloud, or put it on you could buy some GPUs and put it locally at your office and connect it to your intranet that people are using when they come to the office only. And now you've got these AI models at your disposal, right? And what's nice about that is you can, when you essentially own the model and you own access to the model of where it's stored, you can have it run forever, right? And now you're only paying for like electricity, which is not, I mean, it's not even close to what you're paying on Anthropic on the API. And so you can do things constantly in the background. Like you can run it 24/7. You can start to schedule things where it's actually working for you, and doing tests and simulations and research constantly. Like you could have it plugged in and it's constantly researching the best price for lumber if you wanted to.
If this episode brought you clarity, we've got plenty more where that came from. Check out our full library at thecashflowcontractor.com. See you in the next one.